I'm Nancy from Cooking with Nancy's channel. I've cooked a pot of chickpea and mixed dal and some broccoli, and this is a very tasty curry which you can see there. And after cooking, I just thank God by putting a little bit of ghee into this container and 2 camphor, just to thank God. God is everywhere. God is in your heart. God is in your mind. God is in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, in the kitchen, in your bedroom, in your lounge room. Everywhere is God energy. We just have to recognize it. Thank you, oh God. God come in all kinds of different names. It's still the same one God. So let there be peace. Jai Saran Baba, Jai Mata, Jai Buddhaji, Jai Krishna, Jai Radha. Thank you, O God, in all different names. Jai Baba. Please have peace in the world. Thank you, O God. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are blessed by just watching it. You know, there's nothing here but pure energy and pure good sincere wishes for all your good health and your prosperity. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Yeah. Please subscribe to my cooking video on the channel called Cooking with Nancy. All the words are joined up together, all in small case, and you can see me there frying soft tofu without breaking up. That's my channel, because there are many Nancys after I put up my Nancy. Oh yeah, before me or after me, I don't know, but it's a very common name. Okay, bye, thank you.